Hey best friend, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to stop itchy wigs. First, you're going to need apple cider vinegar. I'm going to be using the mother, apple cider vinegar, the mother, and then you'll also need a clear bucket of water. I will leave the measurement ingredients. Is it ingredients? I'll leave the measurement down below in my description box. If you're new to my channel, hey, how are you doing? My name is Afi Elizabeth and I do fashion content, and I also do hair tutorial and DIYs. So if you like this type of videos, make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have tried this before. Yes, ma'am. So yeah, that's what we did. And then after a while, after I applied apple cider vinegar, the mother, the bougie kind, yes ma'am, I mixed it all up, and then I put my wig inside of the bucket. I wasn't about to touch the water with my bare hands because it stinks, and I didn't want that smell to, stick to my hands. So yeah, that's what I did. After you mix it all up, you will actually see the chemicals from the hair, the frontal, and all that lifting, which is actually disgusting. So yeah, I leave it in the water for about an hour, and after an hour, this is what you will see. You guys can't really see it on camera, but off camera, it is disgusting. I also do this technique with my braids. My braids, I will leave the link on how I do it with my braids down below if you are interested. But yeah, this is what I do in my wigs. I recently started to actually apply apple cider vinegar with my wigs because I was itching so bad. I don't know if anybody else have those moments where like you buy a wig online or in store and like the frontal just starts to like irritate your forehead or your scalp. If you go through those type of situations, this will probably help you a lot because it did help me. Just look at how nasty. Oh my gosh. Like it took off all the chemicals. So now this is my secret weapon. It is don't be bald, baby. Baby, don't be bald. Baby, don't be bald. Shampoo and conditioner. I use this on my hair when I get my braids and I start to get the itching. Sometimes when I do apply it, apple cider vinegar, with my braids, I kind of still get the chemical itch on my scalp. And one time I decided to wash my scalp with this shampoo right here, and it literally stopped the itching. So if you have tried apple cider vinegar with your braids and you still itch, I highly recommend you to try this shampoo. Like wash your braids or wash your scalp with this shampoo while you still have braids. You would literally feel the difference. So yeah, so I went in and I washed my wig. One thing I am going to say is do not disrespect your wig like I am disrespecting my wig right now on camera, because the way this baby was tangled, I know it's probably making somebody cringe, because it's like, sis, why are you washing it like this? Listen, we're not trying to be bald, okay? The shampoo said don't be bald, baby, so we're gonna apply every single knowledge. Anywho, so yeah, so wash your wig. The water is going to look dirty, and of course that's because you're washing off all the dirt and chemicals and stuff that also was attached to the apple cider vinegar, because the wig was also inside the wig was we applied apple cider vinegar earlier, so some of the product is still in the hair, but literally the hair is still dirty. So washing it will really help if you do apply shampoo and conditioner after that as well. Now the key to recognizing if you are done is if you do it again, if you repeat this process. By repeating the process, I mean going with, well, not repeating, but after you wash with shampoo, you clear your bucket or whatever you call it, your bucket, and you go back in with the conditioner. You will notice that the chemical will be officially out of your hair once the water is actually clear. So right here is where I have realized, okay, after I applied my conditioner, the water is clear. That means my hair is clean. There's no more chemical in it. There's no dirt, whatever they processed my hair with. I no longer have that in my hair, in my wig. Girl, in my wig. Okay, let's not forget, in my wig. Well, I mean, it's still my hair because it goes on my head, right? Okay, anywho. So yeah, we're done. We washed it, and now we're gonna be giving it a bobby style. This is a no shame plug right here. I'm using my Duval straightener. I did a review on this straightener, so I will leave the link down below. And this is how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are new, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.